sad. You ever had sex with your daughter, man? That's fucking pathetic. Yeah, I need the fucking knife in there.
What? Ahtume, please do not do this. Please, come here. Look, please, what are you doing? Jasper!
Hey, other 515 out of 5 Baker. The original caller says that he, as a neighbor, hasn't seen anything since. We did just get another caller, says the resident of the home advised the neighbor
okay?
looking out her window.
What are you grabbing there?
Apartment 335.
Put that down.
3359.
Put that down.
42 there.
Put that down.
Yeah, stay right there.
What do you got there? What's going on today?
Radio page 1086 right now.
What's the matter?
Right now.
What's the matter? Huh? Well, talk to us for a second.
Have you around? I'm going to hold you.
What's going on?
What you got in your pocket there?
Nothing at all.
Looks like a knife.
It is.
Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, if you reach for that knife, I'm going to shoot you. You understand that? You understand what I'm saying?
Yeah, but you can't arrest me. You Mason?
I'm not
You a
arresting you.
Mason?
I'm just telling you,
Are
if you
you
reach for
Mason?
that knife, I'm going to shoot you.
Are you Mason?
You understand that?
Or are you Mason?
No, I'm not a Mason.
Yeah, you are.
Are you?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
I'm Ahtume, so it don't even
So,
matter.
what's going on with you?
Nothing. She like that all the time.
So, what's going on with you? No.
Well, stop right there. Stop.
We need to talk to you to find out what's going on.
Go ahead, touch me.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
Okay. Put them on your back. Dang it.
Boy, we have him out here. He's got some kind of rock in his hand. Well, right now.
What's the matter?
Nothing at all. Huh? Not at all. Not at all.
Howdy.
What's going on?
What you got in your pocket there?
Nothing at all.
Looks like a knife.
It is.
Okay, I'm going to tell you right now, if you reach for that knife, I'm going to shoot you. You understand that? You understand what I'm
But
saying?
you can't arrest me. You Mason?
I'm not
You a
arresting you.
Mason?
I'm just telling you,
Are
if you
you
reach for
Mason?
that knife, I'm going to shoot you.
Are you Mason?
You understand that?
Or are you Mason?
No, I'm not a Mason.
Yeah, you are.
Are you?
Yeah, you are.
Okay.
I'm Ahtume, so it don't even
So,
matter.
what's going on with you?
Nothing. She like that all the time.
515 Baker. You can cancel the phone. Retain 6 right this minute. So, what's going on with you? Nope. Hold up. Hold up. We need to talk to you and find out what's going on. Yep.
Go ahead, touch me.
All right. All right. Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
No.
Put your hands behind your back.
Behind your back.
515 Baker, shots fired. Start EMS code 3. I got a male subject with a gunshot to the head. You all right?
Yes. Are you okay?
Yeah. I think I am. Stabbed.
One to the head.
All right. Stay here. I'm gonna get bandage.